see the uses of different type of shapes, how that can be merged or combined together to make something new and something view aesthetically very clean and naive. So if you see the current slide and the next slide, which slide you are liking a more, and the picture, the effect and all. So if you really like this part, let's see how we can make that. So take a new slide here, and then I will just change the background of the to a black one right now. I really love black one, so I am keeping the black one. Now go into the insert, take the shapes and take the rectangle shape here. So I'm just taking a rectangle shape, good amount of rectangle shape. Then go into the shape again and take a circle, and in the circle part you can actually just place it here, and then control C, control V, the same circle you try to place here, control V again, and then again here one, V again here one. So this way you have done one part. Now again go into the shape and take a this and make a square. Here you can actually check the square from the size, you can change. Oh, it's 1 3 I will do. So oh, and I will rotate it for 45 degree. So this I done. Now I can just check, place it here. uh, this is the shape which I am looking for. Now what I will do, I will just select all this, I will just select this all and go into the shape format. Into the shape format, here it is there, so I will just do the union. Now this is done. Now what we will do, we will go on to this side. I'll just take the images of the Taj Mahal, and from this I will just copy whichever image you like. I just copied that. Then I will just right click on this and format shape and picture as or a texture field. So this is done. See how very beautifully it is coming here. I can now place it here, and then what, go into the text box, write a text box here. Just make a text box, write in that and just increase the size of this. I will just increase it to 50, and then go into the shape formatting, color it to, I will just take this gray color, and I will here also. In this we will remove the line also. In the text option will go and no line, we don't want a line, and we want a transparency of like I'll say 43% or something. So whatever you like, you can actually have that. Now here you can see it's merging in the color of the background, and it's the effect of from the background, it's coming very aesthetically also very good, and it's looking very good while doing the presentation. So the people, the person who is looking at your presentation will be very much very much liking it, will be very much interested to learn what you are going to teach there or what you want to show. Now I will just copy from here this text. I am just done that text copy, and I will just place it here. You can just center it out and done. Your slide is ready. You can use this for business presentations and everything. You can find my slide in the video also for your reference. Thank you.